Ever clip a pocket knife to your jeans and forget it's even there? Until the moment you absolutely need it. In today's video, we're checking out 20 folding knives you can grab right now on Amazon, from budget beaters to tactical workhorses. If you're into no-nonsense gear talk, hit subscribe to Trek Gear so you don't miss what's coming next. Smith & Wesson Border Guard Folding Knife. Picture a late-night roadside emergency seatbelt jammed, window stuck, adrenaline rising. The Border Guard steps in with purpose. Built for first response situations, its serrated combo blade chews through thick material, while the glass breaker tip and strap cutter handle rescue tasks in seconds. The hefty aluminum handle locks solid in the grip, and the aggressive spine jimping gives you leverage when cutting rope or clearing brush. It's a tactical, leaning folding knife that feels like a backup plan in your pocket, perfect for truck kits, security jobs, or anyone who wants real-world utility at the ready. Smith & Wesson Extreme Ops Folder. Compact, lightweight, and fast. This one is all about everyday convenience. The Extreme Ops snaps open with thumb studs, delivering a partially serrated edge that handles cardboard, cordage, and trail snacks without hesitation. Its slim aluminum handle rides comfortably in jeans or work pants, making it a solid companion for hiking, warehouse shifts, or daily carry on a budget. No fancy frills, just a simple, effective cutter that shows up when you need it. Kershaw Clash Black Serrated Pocket Knife. Now imagine an EDC knife with the heart of a tactical blade. The Kershaw Clash brings speed-safe assisted opening for quick deployment when one-handed speed matters most. The sculpted handle fits naturally in the palm, giving you excellent control for slicing and utility cuts. That serrated section also comes in handy when you're prepping camp materials, stripping cable, or cutting zip ties in the garage. Dependable steel, confident action, and rugged affordability. No wonder the Clash has become a fan-favorite starter knife. Civivi Praxis Folding Pocket Knife. For those who love sleek design without compromising strength, the Civivi Praxis is a standout. Its stone-washed blade slices cleanly and holds up for everyday tasks, while the ergonomic handle keeps long sessions comfortable. Think food prep at camp or carving small sticks for a shelter. Light, balanced, and surprisingly durable, this knife proves that style and practicality can live in the same pocket. Ideal for casual adventurers and urban EDC enthusiasts alike. Spyderco Delica 4. If precision and versatility top your checklist, meet the Spyderco Delica 4. Its lightweight fiberglass reinforced nylon handle makes it feather light to carry, while the G10 steel blade delivers razor-sharp control for intricate tasks opening packages, prepping kindling, or field dressing small game. The trademark Spyderco thumbhole ensures smooth one-handed deployment, giving you speed and confidence when it counts. A classic for a reason, compact, reliable, and ready for nearly anything. Benchmade Bugout 535. Looking for a tactical edge that doesn't weigh you down? The Benchmade Bugout 535 fits the bill. Its drop point blade excels at both utility cutting and light outdoor chores, and the ultralight handle keeps your pack feeling featherweight on long treks. Balanced, quick, and ergonomic, it's a knife that travels as well in the backcountry as it does clipped to your belt during everyday adventures. Think minimalist survival meets premium craftsmanship. Cold Steel SR1 Lite. When toughness meets lightweight design, you get the Cold Steel SR1 Lite. Its Tri-AD locking system keeps the blade rock solid, whether you're opening boxes or tackling tougher tasks like cutting rope or light batoning. The ergonomic handle provides a secure grip, making controlled cuts effortless. This is a knife for those who want reliability without bulk. Perfect for hikers, campers, or anyone who carries daily but still expects high performance. WORKPRO Folding Utility Knife. Not every knife needs to look tactical to get the job done. The WORKPRO Folding Utility Knife is proof of that. With its retractable blade design and simple, sturdy construction, it handles cardboard, packaging, and small DIY projects without fuss. The textured handle ensures a steady grip even during repetitive cutting tasks. A practical pick for anyone seeking affordable durability, great for home, workshop, or light outdoor use. FLISSA Folding Pocket Knife. Looking for an emergency-ready pocket companion? The FLISSA folding knife blends versatility with safety. Its compact, foldable design makes it easy to stash in a glove box, backpack, or survival kit. The sturdy stainless steel blade tackles general camp chores, cutting rope, or prepping firewood. A solid choice for beginners or those who want a backup knife that's ready for unexpected situations without breaking the bank. Civivi C210 2B Brazen Burgundy. If elegance meets practicality, the Civivi Brazen Burgundy takes the stage. Its rich handle finish isn't just for looks, it offers a comfortable, secure grip for precise cutting, food prep, or general outdoor tasks. The sharp, stainless steel blade slices with confidence, while the compact design ensures easy everyday carry. This is a knife for enthusiasts who appreciate style, balance, and reliability all in one. Gerber Gear Jukebox. For anyone who wants a fun yet functional EDC knife, the Gerber Jukebox delivers. Its straight flipper deployment is smooth and satisfying, and the sturdy frame lock keeps the blade secure during use. Lightweight yet capable, it handles daily tasks from opening packages to prepping camp materials. A playful but dependable option for urban carry or casual outdoor adventures. Kershaw Eris Folding Pocket Knife. Sometimes, simplicity and strength are all you need. The Kershaw Eris combines a drop-point blade with a titanium-coated handle for corrosion resistance and long-lasting durability. Quick deployment, comfortable grip, and precise cutting make it perfect for EDC or light survival tasks. A solid choice for those who value everyday practicality with a touch of sophistication. Civivi Conspirator Button Lock Folding Knife. Sleek, compact, and deceptively strong. The Civivi Conspirator is perfect for those who like precision in a pocket-friendly package. Its button lock mechanism ensures smooth, one-handed deployment, while the sharp Damascus-style blade handles everyday cutting tasks with ease. Lightweight, yet solid, it's ideal for urban carry, outdoor errands, or a minimalist survival kit. SOG Twitch 2 Drop Point. Need a knife that's as versatile as your day? The SOG Twitch 2 delivers with a drop-point design that excels at controlled slicing and utility cuts. Compact and easy to carry, it's perfect for everything from opening boxes to light fieldwork. The ergonomic handle provides confidence during prolonged use, and its assisted opening mechanism makes quick access effortless. A great pick for EDC enthusiasts and casual outdoorsmen alike. SOG Terminus XR G10. For a tactical edge with everyday practicality, meet the SOG Terminus XR G10. Its robust G10 handle gives you a firm, non-slip grip, while the precision ground blade tackles a variety of cutting tasks with ease. Sleek, fast, and dependable, this knife works as well on a city commute as it does on the trail. A strong choice for those who want a blend of tactical readiness and everyday reliability. Cold Steel Tuff Lite. When toughness meets portability, the Cold Steel Tuff Lite shines. Its sturdy blade handles everyday tasks, from opening packages to outdoor utility work, while the Tri-AD locking system ensures the blade stays firmly in place. Lightweight and compact, it's perfect for hikers, campers, or anyone who wants reliable performance without extra bulk. CRKT M16 13 DSFG. For a knife that balances tactical flair with functional design, the CRKT M16 13 DSFG delivers. Its assisted opening mechanism makes deployment smooth and quick, and the drop-point blade is ideal for slicing, utility work, or emergency tasks. With a solid handle and dependable locking system, this knife is a go-to for everyday carry or outdoor excursions. Kershaw S30 WORKPRO Pocketknife. Looking for premium steel in an everyday package? The Kershaw S30 WORKPRO has you covered. Crafted with high-quality S30 WE steel, it offers long-lasting sharpness and reliable edge retention. The ergonomic handle ensures comfort for extended use, while the assisted opening system allows quick access when you need it most. Perfect for EDC enthusiasts who want performance and durability in one sleek design. Cold Steel Pocket Bushman. For those who want a rugged, outdoors-ready folder, the Cold Steel Pocket Bushman is a solid pick. Its compact, sturdy blade handles slicing, camp chores, and light utility work with ease. The textured handle provides a secure grip, even in wet or slippery conditions. A reliable choice for bushcraft enthusiasts, or anyone who wants a tough pocket companion that's always ready. Cold Steel AK-47 Folding Knife. The Cold Steel AK-47 brings tactical power to your pocket. Its fast-deploying blade and ergonomic grip make it ideal for everyday carry, outdoor utility, or emergency situations. Durable and responsive, this knife delivers confidence and performance every time you need it. A modern classic for anyone who prioritizes toughness and reliability. And that wraps up 20 folding knives available on Amazon that cover everything from budget-friendly EDCs to premium tactical blades. Which one caught your eye? Drop your favorite in the comments below. Don't forget to subscribe to Trek Gear for more in-depth gear reviews, survival tools, and tactical breakdowns. Stay sharp, stay prepared, and we'll see you in the next video.